If we start by just trying to fit a few of the pets into the frame, you can see it starts getting quite difficult to even fit 2 or 3 of these pets into the frame. Once we get the third one in over here, it looks like we should be able to get this fourth one in, but we still can't even get the fifth one into the frame. This is the pets packing puzzle made by Siebenstein-Spiele. The goal is to be able to fit all 5 of these pets into the frame. The pets puzzle has a difficulty level of 7 on a scale of 5 to 10. Now with these type of packing puzzles, you usually want to find a pattern that'll work all the way around the outside edge of the puzzle in order to fit the pets into the frame, because it gets very difficult just to fit them in with just a few pieces. So I think we got to start off with this larger piece. If we set it on the side like this, so to fit all 5 pets into the frame, we need to start off by making this triangle shape all the way around the edge of the puzzle. If we take this pet, we can fit it in over here. Next, we can take this pet and place it in the corner. Then we can take this pet and place it on top over here in this corner. And finally, take this last pet and it should fit perfectly within the middle of the frame. To see other cool puzzle solves like this, click this video right here. And if you want to get the pets packing puzzle or any other cool puzzles like this, go to puzzlemaster.ca.